Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have a very amazing surprise. I mean, it's in fact a surprise for me as well because we just received this white little box which technically has nothing on top of it. So I want to find out, I'm quite curious. By the way, this came in from Honor. So I'm curious what's going to be inside the box, and I'm going to tell you everything about it once I've done unboxing it. In the meantime, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there. And we are there on Instagram and TikTok as well. And our handle is @GreatLobbyist. And moving on, we are also on the web, which is www.greatlobbyist.com. So I'm going to get straight on to kill my curiosity by opening this surprise white box, which has literally nothing on it, and find out what's inside it. So let me get my favorite yellow cutter and get straight on to it. Here you go. So, voila. And this goes off here. And we unbox this thing, finding out what's inside it and tell you everything about it. So guys, here's a set of new earbuds from Honor. Now these are, let me just quickly get this opened so that we are able to see it more beautifully. Beautiful looking case, nicely done, very unique shape this time, other than the normal usual stuff. And inside you got these beauties. The design looks pretty nice. It's got the magnet part right here for the charging. It's got a couple of microphones as well on each earbud, and we are going to find out what's inside it. There's some text which says here, brand name, Type-C charging, and the pairing button on here. Under the hood, of course, should be expecting the usual stuff. The ringy ring Type-C charging cable. I think the cable is bigger than this, and a couple of brand informations right here. Let's get this white box out. We just did unbox something similar. It's a very new style of packaging which earbuds brands are adopting to it, and inside it is nothing much. Two pairs, and they're separately packed. Large and small. The medium ones are already on board, and since it's a not branded box, no paperwork so far, so I think once the branded ones comes out, it will have all the paperwork that we need. So I'm going to put this back inside right here. This goes back in here. We don't need the Type-C cable to run through. We've seen many of them. This goes back here as well, and we're going to close this bad boy right up. So guys, beautiful. Now these are, as the tiny little text here says, Honor EarBuds 2 SE. This is the latest edition and the launch of Honor, which you're going to see in the market in the coming days. And we have been very privileged to have this before they have even launched. So probably you're seeing this video for the first time, and very few people have had the opportunity to get their hands onto this. So when I look at this, beautiful stuff. Look at that. I like them. Let me try them on. Snugly fitted in. Shaking my head. Nothing going off. Straight away into the pairing mode. And we're going to pair them very quickly. So putting them back inside, snap, charging mode. So these are of course built with active noise cancellation, which is powered by a huge 10mm driver, giving you that absolute crystal clear sound, the deep bass, and everything that you need for crystal clear communication. It also has AI-based active noise cancellation for your calls as well. So not just when you're listening to music, you go into the quiet zone, but when you're having a call, it filters out any ambient sound coming from the other side as well. So you hear the crystal clear sound as well as the other person will while you're talking, and it filters the ambient sound out and gives that other person absolute crystal clear. That is your sound. So two-way AI is fantastic, especially when it comes to calls. The disturbances are a bit annoying. But again, we buy earbuds for calls and listening to music and entertainment. One thing which concerns us is the battery life, and this bad boy has huge battery life. I think by far the biggest battery life with buds and case together that we've come across, 32 hours. Now, buds can run 10 hours with ANC off and 7.5 hours with ANC on. So if you're in an area where you are okay with ANC off, you can run them up to 10 hours on the run. And with the case has an additional 22 hours, which is fantastic. Now, if I consider a very simple case of ANC off, you're talking about good 4 hours of usage if you use it for 8 hours. Now, that's awesome. With a quick charge, and a 50, because the buds have 55 mAh battery each, and the case has a 410 mAh battery. So which means the battery life is going to be awesome with the quality of sound. It has the awareness mode as well, which means once the ANC is off, you can be aware of your surroundings as well, especially in a public area. If you're crossing the streets, that's the best way to do it. We always get carried away with some good music while on the move. Splash and dust resistant, so take it to the gym, go for a run, which is fantastic. Coming in two beautiful colors, white and black. So make a pick when you're ready to buy them. So we're going to tell you more about it once we know more. But this is on so far. These are beautiful. I love the case. I would love to get my hands on the black ones as well. But this white one looks pretty awesome. I've got the older versions, which members of my family have been using. Honor has been kind enough to leave them with us. So loving them. No complaints there. They've been loving the sound, specifically. And so that's what we look for in a quality earbud. And this is Honor EarBuds 2 SE. So do let us know what you think about them, and we're giving you a chance to win these bad boys right up. So if you want to win it, let us know what you think about these earbuds and what are your thoughts. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon on the YouTube channel. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.